I'm 5. I'm gonna open all these awesome SuperZings stuff.
Who is it? Is that a new one?
No, it's a double.
Oh, is it? Who are the ones that you want to get?
Oh, I want to get Bad Jammy. It's funny.
Yeah.
He's even lost a tooth.
Is he?
Yeah.
Who else? Are there any others? Which are the ones that you still need from Series 5?
Pineapple, like Tropic Thunder, Compute, and
Sherlock, is he one?
yeah, Sherlock and
some
Tasty Warrior.
Nice. Okay, shall we see?
Oh, and Action Noodle.
Action. Okay, come on then. Let's see if we've got any of those in here in these packets.
Next thing we're gonna open up this car.
Okay.
4.
Ooh.
4 of this vehicle now.
You got 4 of those ones.
Yeah. And I've got this guy.
Yay.
He's another double.
Do you remember what his name is? Do you want to give me the thing and I'll have a look? He is. Let me see. Oh, Chili Shock.
Chili Shock.
Do you want to pass them to me and I'll have a look in here? Ah, Chili Shock. He's cool because he's got like some chili sauce sticking out the top of his head.
Yeah, that's funny. Just a little tiny bit. And he's a super flyer with a jetpack.
That's so cool.
And he drives this vehicle.
Awesome. Cool. Right, do you want to open some more?
Yeah, look at that. Yeah. Oh.
Don't worry, we'll take that out after. Who's that? Have a look.
Foot.
What's his name?
Freezy Foot.
Freezerfoot.
Freezy Foot.
Freezyfoot. Cool. Do you have him already? Oh yeah, Freezyfoot.
Yeah, I've got him.
You got him already? Okay. Well, you have got almost all of Series 5, so let's see.
Yeah.
Okay, Freezyfoot's a good one though.
Yeah, it's funny. Oh, it's a different colour.
Different colour? Reverse colour? Brilliant.
Boiling head.
Is that what his name is? Boiling Head, that's right, you remembered, well done.
Boiling head.
Boiling Heads, yes, so we've got the reverse colour of him. So what's his normal colour?
His normal's... Oh, this is his normal colour.
Oh, is it? Okay.
So I've got him in blue, the reverse colour.
Ah, okay.
Oh,
Who have you got there?
another double.
Another double, who's that one?
Don't know. Can't
He looks
really
like a flip-flop, doesn't he?
Yeah. Oh, he's a rival of Freezy Foot.
Oh, is he? Let's see if I can find him.
Yeah. He's got cool glasses.
There are so many SuperZings, I can't find him on this chart. Oh, there he goes. His name is Slap.
Slap. Funny. Pow!
Ow.
Pow!
Ah! Quick, get him onto the floor. There he goes.
Featherman.
Featherman, is that his name?
No.
What's his name? Sky Billy.
Sky Billy. He's another double.
Another double,
too.
okay, fine. I mean, we do have
Yeah.
almost all Series 5.
Yeah. I hope I at least get a new one.
That would be good.
Oh.
You got a double already?
Here's our first another double. There.
Oh, that's a double of Pepper Panic.
Yeah, Pepper Panic. Pepper Panic's double.
I think you should be lining up to face this way, so everybody watching can see who they are.
Then move them.
Yeah, that way round, that's it. Okay, who else you got?
It's a new one.
Is it a new one? Yes! Who is it? Which one is it?
It's Tropic Thunder.
Tropic Thunder, let's have a look. Tropic Thunder. He's very cool, I like his belt.
Yeah, funny belt.
I love Tropic Thunder.
That's...
He's got really cool pineapple hair, doesn't he?
Yeah, pineapple hair. He's funny.
What else you got? Oh, so good, you got a new one.
Yeah. I was just at least trying to get a new one. Oh, still there.
Who's that in there? Is that another double?
Yeah.
What's his name, do you know?
No, but he's also
Oh.
his rival's a racer and
Yeah.
he's got a funny beard.
His name is Fight Foam. He's got a big foamy moustache.
Yeah. He's a bit rubbed out, but that doesn't matter because he's a double.
That's a double, yeah, great. Who's that?
I think it might be a different colour or not a different colour.
Right, is she gonna have a look?
Oh no, it isn't a different colour. It's a double.
Is it a double? Okay.
Yeah, it's a duplicate.
So he looks like a heavy weight,
Yeah.
doesn't he?
He's a weightlifter.
He's a weightlifter. Okay, his name is Heavy Iron.
Heavy Iron.
There we go. How many more have you got to open?
What? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
5 more to go. Okay. He's hoping for another one he don't have.
And number 5 is a duplicate.
But it's one of the best ones.
Yeah.
One of the best siblings, isn't it?
Flies.
Okay. Who else have we got?
We've got still a double.
Of, what's his name?
Slap.
Slap. And that's a different colour, isn't it?
Yeah.
So we've got both colours now.
Now I've only got 2. Man, if this one's Kid Fury and those are 2 more golds.
I mean, that would be brilliant.
Yeah. Oh,
Okay.
double.
Double? Oh, but I love that guy because his sushi. It's
Yeah.
like a thing that you eat.
Yeah, juicy.
Let's have a look. So how many more have you got left to open now?
Only 2. 2.
2 more, okay. Fingers crossed for a good one.
Hope we would get a gold or Kid Fury.
I mean, that would be brilliant. Or compute. Who's that? Oh, it's the...
And also, it's not a double because it's a different colour of him.
Yes! That's great. His name is Flynn Wheel.
I'm going to have a little feel.
Okay, have a feel first. Do you have any idea who it might be? Any guesses?
Well, I think the only guess is that bald guy.
Which one? You show me.
There. Him.
At the top there.
Yeah.
Oh, okay, so he's Dark 8.
Yeah.
Okay, okay.
Oh, it's Action Noodle.
Is it? Yes! That was one that you needed.
Yeah.
You got Action Noodle and you got Tropic Thunder. Those are 2 new ones.
Yeah, and this guy different colour.
And
colour.
those 2 different colours. Teddy, that is very good.
Yeah. So
Wow, some
good.
great new ones there.
These are so good that I've got them now.
Now I think we should go and play. What do you think?
Down.
You say bye-bye.